Welcome to XBA, Xander, Bryan Adventures.
All right, guys. This week been working on rewiring. I got a lot of wire management to do, but this is a rock climber that I've been rewiring. My infamous black tape. Can't wait to ride this. That ought to be fun. Hey guys, this week I've been working on the rock climber and rewiring it, and today I'm about to take it out for a ride. Here we go. Well guys, that was fun. That was all the fun. This thing has power.
Stay tuned for part 2, where I finish the wire management, install the wire harnesses, and we see what this bad boy can do. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for joining us at Xander and Bryan Adventures.